Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Nova 10 Youth, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time of this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find digital balance. And as you can see, we will be transferred to this graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. As you can see, I've been using it for 30 minutes, almost 30 minutes, which is 12 minutes more than yesterday. We've got also the apps listed with particular with the time which we've spent on them. If you want to, you can also tap on this graph, and thanks to this you will be transferred to this dashboard, which will show you for how long you've been using the device and the screen basically in particular hours, and you can also check it for the last 7 days. You've got the weekly report, and of course with the information about the mostly used apps, the unlocks of course, and the extensions, so the total extension time and the number of extensions. That will be all basically, but a quick disclaimer about the screen time management, because thanks to this you can really apply the balance to your screen time and the time without the device. So you can set the screen time, the service limits and the app limits and the away time. So thanks to this your device will, so, for example, hide some notifications or disable some apps for particular hours, and thanks to this you can rest from the notifications and from your device. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.